Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a retirement income plan with Vanguard, full guide step by step clearly. To activate a retirement income plan with Vanguard, first, visit the Vanguard website. Log into your account with your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting sign up and providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab on the home page. From the drop-down menu, select Retirement Income. You will be directed to a page with available retirement income options. Review the plans offered, such as annuities or systematic withdrawals. Choose the plan that best fits your retirement needs and goals. Click on the Get Started button to begin the activation process. Provide any necessary information, including your retirement date and income requirements. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure to review your selections before proceeding. After confirming your choices, submit the application. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your activation. Monitor your account regularly to track your income and make adjustments as needed. For any questions, reach out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance. Keep records of all communications and confirmations for future reference. By following these steps, you can successfully activate your retirement income plan with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.